So this shows my dedication towards.
Any other person would like to tell me why did you clap for yourself?
I feel awesome because I loved this activity and this is my first time.
Interesting. Yes, you.
Sir, like I would say that I woke up early as well as I took bath in the morning with
Oh, wow.
cold shower. So I would say that's the reason why I'm
clapping for
clapping
him.
for myself.
Generally, he doesn't take bath. in normal classes, if I rightly remember, that you don't take bath in normal classes. Walk and talk class, you have taken bath. It's a point. Okay, any other person? Why did you clap for yourself? Okay, here is.
Sir, I think I clapped for myself because it is a Herculean task to wake up early in the morning at 6 a.m. and take a bath. Then you are coming here in the morning because generally a person is not that much energetic when he has just woke up early in the morning and he is coming for discussion part and other things. So I think I have clapped for myself because we are here. We are burning our midnight oil and here we are speaking. And here we are coming at early 7 a.m. Generally people don't woke up at this time. So I think I clapped for myself and for everyone because they are coming here, they are giving their precious time to this class. So I clapped for them only.
One time clapping for all the team leaders. How many team leaders are there?
Team leaders.
Team leaders. Raise hand. Those who are team leaders. 1, 2. अरे हाथ तो खड़े कर लो.
Keep raising your hands, team leaders.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 team leaders are there.
Yes.
There were 7. Were you also?
Hey, one is lost in the wood. Acha. I thought you never know. Okay, let's start with you, dear. Feedback. Okay, I request you all, please do listen to
Yes.
the feedback.
Hello everyone, my name is Yash and it's been a great pleasure to be here again. And I was a team leader and I had 8 members in my group. Then a group came, they had they had less member in their group, so they took each member from each group. So then I was left with 7 members in my group, and I would say, they all participated nicely because in my group they were mostly the beginners, and I thought that they won't participate much, but they did, and it was above from my expectation level, and I really am happy for that. And if I tell you the name, so Lucky, Amit, Hardik, Rahul, Muskan, Manisha and Hers, you guys really did well, but this is for the one. So I would say what's his name, I think Harsh did really well in that. I mean, everybody participated well, but he was more engaged. He was
नाम किसे वो दंगल देखिए दिखाने का ऐसे वो हो जाता है समझो.
he was more engaged in the activity, and he was participating with full of his enthusiasm, and I am really happy for you, man.
Now you are the one. Yes. Always wait till end.
So hello everyone, my name is Harsh and first time I achieved this certificate. I am continuously attend
Token
this
of
walk and talk class,
appreciation.
token
Token
of the
of
appreciation
appreciation.
for walk and talk, and continuously I attending this walk and talk classes. I first time I achieved this certificate, so I am the feel very,
Token of appreciation.
sorry
Token.
वो भी ले लेंगे. So I have walk and talk token of the appreciation. So that's I feel so great at this time. So thank you so much.
Give him a party after this if you are.
Yeah, I also gave it a party. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Namrata, come forward, please.
Narmata. That's okay. Be here.
Okay. So it takes. Sir, shall I start with the quotation?
Yes.
Okay. It takes a second to have a crush on someone. It takes a minute to like someone. It takes a day to love someone. But it takes a lifetime to forget someone.
Oh.
So mellow morning to one and all present
Aye.
here. My name is Namrata, and today I got the opportunity of being the team leader.
Yes.
And I really enjoyed this duty. I am very happy of being a group leader because this walk and talk class is conducted after a very long time. And not many people came today, but I am happy that most of them came. So today in my group, I conducted 3 activities there in general, and when we were at the institute, so the first round was the introduction part. I asked everyone about their names, what are their hobbies, short-term goal, long-term goal, etc. And then I asked a question that what comes in your mind when you see Jeet sir. Means most of the answers, they were very nice. even Jeet sir heard them, and I was very happy that each one of them actually praises Jeet sir. And the second activity was role play, and we were in general we were 7 members including me. So we had a friends role play, and the condition was that we are planning for a trip to means we were giving suggestions. No, we'll go to Rishikesh, we'll go to Goa, we'll go to Chennai or somewhere. Sorry. So means we were doing that, and after that one more activity we conducted, story building. Firstly we were thinking that we would be conducting a story about black magic, but suddenly the story came to love, and it all started with like 2 people falling in love with each other. They are in the college, they have a eye contact and something like this. The love story began and end with having 2 childs. And then yes. And then with the group of Abhimanyu Bhaiya, we combined, and then we were having a debate, is relationship good or bad? Then one uncle came and he interrupted in between, and he started giving his own advice. So we like our almost 15 minutes were wasted on that, and he gave some vulgar advices to us. I don't want to tell here, but I really enjoyed. So the one person whom I want to appreciate today is of course Ritesh Bhaiya, because I am very much proud of him.
ताली बजा लीजिए प्लीज आप लोग आपने से पहले ताली नहीं बजाई. Is somebody clicking picture? I'm making video. That's okay. It's in video.
It's in video.
Let it be.
Okay, give it to him. Fine.
That's okay. Anything?
Guys,
from
clap.
So, hello everyone, I am Ritesh. So this was my first time. I am in over the moon, because in school time I have low confidence to speak in front of lots of people. But after the institute I have the full confidence to speak, and this was appreciation to me. So I do lots of hard work in the future.
Really good.
Thank you.
Yes. And be careful with this.
She was the team leader.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so good morning all of you. My name is Khushi, and today I am not a group leader because she is not a group leader.
Acha, Khushi left. Okay.
Yes.
Another Khushi is here.
Yes.
Okay.
Khushi is a left, and my group leader, my members are Salman, Daksh, Lovely, Ritesh, Amit, Neeraj, and Niresh. So I enjoy a lots of more because every student enjoy, and I do a activity, role play, and chit chat, and a center of attraction, and I give this
Token of
token of appreciate Amit Bhaiya, because she is the first time. He is the first time, and she is a good speaker. And
Really good. Good try.
I am very surprised to achieve this. This is my first time, and I am very happy today. I am very happy. This is my first achievement.
I told you yesterday. मजा आएगा.
Arman.
Yes, be here. That's it.
So first of all, good morning everyone, and Ramazan Mubarak. So
Yes. You too.
today is the start of Ramazan, and it's a wonderful starting with this walk and talk class. So first of all, I would like to appreciate all of you who have come here in this weather. Like now, it's not that much cold. So I started my today's session with a wonderful question that we will make so many festivals. So what if we get a chance to make our own festival? So I give the answer. So I want a festival in that all the religious people come together and make a festival. Like this is the hypothetical question that if I get a chance to make any like my own festival, so what kind of festival I want? So I want a particular festival in that every religion people should come and celebrate it together. So it will increase our unity. After that, in class we have lots of wonderful members, and I'm proudly say that my team members are very good and they are always supporting me. And if I ask them that who is your best team leader, so they were going to take my name. I'm sure about it. So the one game we played today. So because of this walk-in class, I worked a lot. So
every time I play, I prepared some chits. This time I did something new. So there is a activity of storytelling, but I changed something in that storytelling. So I was making a story on that my phone is stolen and I have to replace this phone word with banana. So the story goes very funny. So when I was speaking about it, that one day I was roaming with my banana. So these are the things were happening. So these are the things creating humor in our group. And after that we play a role play. In that role play, like Thakursa is playing a role of Thakursa, and I will become his translator. So that time these are the things happening in the group, and the humor is created. Everybody is laughing and everybody is participating with their zest and zeal. And this is a wonderful experience of this class. But the one who deserve special recognition, according to me, it's Divansh, because of it's his first walk and talk class and he participated so well.
Very good, Basu.
Thank you so much for giving me this certificate, and it was my first class also, and this was also my first certificate in the class, and I enjoyed a lot of activities in this class, and thank you so much.
So good morning everyone, my name is Divyansh. Firstly I want to thank Team Shrine for conducting this beautiful class. I was waiting for this class from a very long time and I was ready to attend this class in winter season also, but still today we conducted this class, and in morning I was very excited.
Mind the gap.
Today I was very excited that I would attend this class, and in morning we gathered in front of institute where there was 6 or 7 members in my group. In front of institute we discussed only introduction because we couldn't get that much time when we reached there. So we were discussing a lot of topics. First activity was totally based on center of attraction. We can say a person has to speak any topic, whatever he wants to be, for 3 minutes. So it was just to check their fluency, and it was just check like they are able to speak or not. And second activity was totally based on like role play. There was one situation like ma'am became the teacher of English language, and there was some students who was very much notorious in their class. So there was some situations. And third was a round of one particular question, and we were doing debate on that. There was one question like after the marriage, who suffer the most, men or women? So there was some people, they were saying that women suffers a lot because of like they leave their job and they just do household chores and they support their families. But some of the people like Dhruv and Abhishek and me also, we were supporting our male community, that we are the bread earners and like we suffer the most. So apart from this 3 activities, I like these 3 activities, and if I get a chance to applaud, so I would like right now I can say that I am perplexed because I am confused between ma'am and Abhishek, but I want to highlight the name of Abhishek because the kind of vocabulary he has used and the kind of idioms he was used and the kind of ideas he has about this current issues. So I want to applaud Abhishek.
Really good. Amazing. Wonderful speaking. Really good.
Thank you everyone. Like this is my first time I got this token of appreciation. I'm really feeling over the moon. Like, and special thanks to my teammates who made comfortable environment for me that I can speak English very comfortably.
Very nice.
So thank you everyone. Like making this environment very comfortable that I can speak English without thinking about my grammatical mistake and all these things. Thank you.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Abhi?
Abhi.
Okay, so have a wonderful morning everyone. My name is Abhimanyu and I'm truly happy to stand here again. And as we have started new chapter of Walk and Talk after a break of 3 months, and yesterday I was very excited for the Walk and Talk class because I want to become a leader, and I became. And I'm very grateful to Gagan sir who gave me a wonderful team, and also Ajit sir who conducted a beautiful activity. So there are 7 members in my team, Shivam, Tanisha, Tisha and Arsh, Anurag, and including me. So we did a lot of activities, just like we did first. We have started our journey of Walk and Talk with the 2 questions, and we did play story making, and a lot of activities. And in the nick of my Walk and Talk, we did debate with a group of Namrata, and it was a fantastic experience for me. And if I want to appreciate someone, so I would like to appreciate Shivam because of his courage and his thoughts. And there is also one reason that one person came in my group and appreciated him because of his answer, and also he said congratulations him because of Student of the Year. So definitely I would like to appreciate him.
Good. He's already smiling.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious morning to one and all present here. My name is Shivam, and it is my first time that I am getting this walk and talk token of appreciation, and it is my first time. First of all, I want to thank Jeet sir and Gagan sir, Pushu sir, Ashish sir, because they are conducting this beautiful class that is walk and talk, and student here, they are getting multiple chances to speak, like multiple activities are there, like storytelling, and we were discussing many topics, like we discussed about national education policies and other thing. I also want to thank Abhimanyu Bhaiya, because I found him as one of the best group leaders of the Shrine of English, because he was conducting activities on current affairs, which I like most, and everyone they were participating. Thank you very much for this program.
God bless you.
I guess Sahil is the last one. Okay, if I rightly remember, Sahil is the last.
A splendid morning to one and all present here. So after a long time we are having walk and talk class, and I feel always excited for this class. First of all, kudos to all those who like managed to wake up early in the morning and come here. And if I talk about my experience, I just don't take this thing as a learning, because I also take this as an enjoyment. Because I always think like waking up, although religious month has been started, I have to wake up at 5, but still I was excited for walk and talk class, and that's why I am so engaged in this kind of activity, and I love the activity. So if I talk about my group, I have 8 members, and all were the self-starters. They have contributed very well, and they have participated in each and every question. If I start with the first question, we have started like all the members in my group, they are above 18 years, and they have voted for the CM elections. So I want to just know what kind of CM they would like to see in the seat of Delhi, like what kind of character should be a CM have. So I got very good answers from their side. And today I have also introduced one new activity in my group. We were bored from extempo, role play and all. They are also very lucrative, but still I have introduced one new activity, like a person will get two person will be there, and they will be making sentences on the alphabet. If I start with the A, the opposite person will start with the B, and this will be go on till the Z. And it was very interesting. Somewhere it was difficult for the participants, but it was interesting for all. And at last we have done the center of attraction, and also we have discussed the very talk of the town question, and also controversial question, which is the India got latent, and people has given a very fabulous answer, and their point of view was so different, how they think about this thing. So if I want to give one token of appreciation to someone in my group, so that will be definitely Sonia. She has continuously counterattacked me, and her contribution was less.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonia. I feel so happy after getting this certificate. It's token of appreciation. It's my first time to get token of appreciation, and now I'm over the moon. Firstly, I want to thank all the teachers who conduct this class, and I feel very happy. Thank you.
So I hope you all have enjoyed the activity of today. First timer, you were first timer. How did you feel about today's activity? And you had to do a lot to come here. So how do you feel in the light of everything?
Good morning everyone. My name is
listen
Kiran.
guys, just last 1-2 minutes.
I feel very energetic today because I wake up early in the morning to come here, because I have to take care of my baby, and he slept, so I also have to sleep with him. So today, but I woke up the morning with me, my baby also woke up, and after feeding him, I came to the managed to came here.
Interesting. I would suggest everyone that whenever it happens next time, please do come. Right? If you come, so it's you know the benefits. What are the benefits of it? All the team leaders have really done well, and I was confused between 2%. One is you, and second one is you. There was a little bit confusion that okay, who should be the winner, but little bit with the topics and presentation, whatever was spoken here on the basis of all these, Sahil.
Really good.
Best team leader.
So sir, I was for a very long time Gagan sir has made me team leader, and every day I am learning new things, and today I have made some efforts to introduce new activity. That's why people are more engaged in my group. People are expecting new things, and they are saying yeah, this kind of activity should be conducted. And not just the development of the team member other members, it was development of mine also. Each and every time I have to think how I can comfort my team members, because some of the person who are so introvert, I have to throw some questions which are so easy, and so that they can come out from their shell and participate in the group. So it's a very great experience to be a team leader, and all thanks to Shrine of English.
Right, clapping. So with this happy note, I set you all free. You have something?